Hello everyone, my name is Lokesh Gupta and I am your instructor for this CRM Fundamental and Salesforce Administration series, and I'm going to teach you about CRM fundamentals and administrating your Salesforce. So this course would actually cover how you can customize Salesforce with minimal efforts, and how you can configure and maintain it. Then you would be actually learning how you can use Salesforce as a business solution, and you would be solving few business problems through this Salesforce CRM. So gradually we will learn all these things, but yes, uh, to keep it simple, we can understand what the business process is all about. Then few CRM fundamentals to know what is actually CRM. So let's start with business process. So let's assume that you had some great idea and you have actually converted that as a product. Now uh, what needs to be done is you are running a business, and the business actually goes through these phases, and through which you can sell your product, you can provide services against your product to your customer. So let's say that you have a product that's a really innovative product, and you know that you are going to sell all those, and you are really going to generate some revenue. So for that, what you need to do, you need to actually initiate marketing campaign. So marketing campaign can be run in several ways. The first one is you can actually run ad campaign on social sites. Then you can run ad campaigns on Google, and I mean this is the one way. Other way is you can really organize some event in which you are actually demonstrating uh, the features of your product. Then there are some other ways, traditional marketing ways, in which door to door selling is also one thing. But yes, ultimately you will have to run a campaign to sell your product and to tell everyone that this is the product, and these are the features of this product. So okay, got it. So now you have run campaign, you have put some budget on that. Now what needs to be done? So what happens through these campaigns? You are going to get some leads. Leads. I mean, there's a terminology in which what will happen when you have run a campaign somewhere like in a mall, and you're demonstrating something. Someone will come to you, and you would actually tell uh, all the features of your product. Then you would request that guy to share his number and email ID if you think he is interested. Or whether he is interested or not, it doesn't make sense. But yes, you have taken a lead, you have noted down his number and his email ID. Now what needs to be? This is actually a lead. So this lead is possibly going to be converted to your customer. So that's the lead. I mean, you would be getting thousands of leads, but you would have only one customers ultimately after that campaign, and that's okay. I mean, this is a leads. Now this leads would go actually to a marketing or a sales team. So now they would start following that lead. So they would actually follow through phone call. They can actually them in person, and whatever way they are following, they would actually follow. Now they see marketing guy see that this is a potential customer for your business, then certainly they will you know come back to office, and this is the possible customer, and this lead can be converted to our possible customer. Now what would happen, uh, I mean, forget about Salesforce and all those things. What would happen? That manager would actually be directing to the marketing guy that follow up with him regularly, and if he says he is interested and he is going to buy your product, then certainly that that person is going to be customer of that business. Good. Okay, you have won the deal. Now what? Now there are some other team which will actually handle this thing. Now marketing guy has done his job, sales guy has done his job, he has sold the product. Now now what would happen, because that product need to be fulfilled, so a fulfillment team would actually work on that, and they would ascertain that that product has been dispatched and blah 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 blah. Then what would happen, that product needs some support. I mean, if that is a really innovative product, that may need some kind of support, like if you have invented uh, you know I mean, let's say refrigerator and with some unique features, then certainly if some problem goes on there, then certainly that customer needs some kind of support from you. So that support can be online, that support can be in person, so whatever way. So this is how a business process works. And actually you see, to maintain this business flow, you need a system to track everything from the marketing campaign to customer service and support. And these things need automation. So at the simplest, what we have learned, that these are the business processes which is generally being followed in all business. But yes, business processes can differ according to organization, according to product, and other things. So this is what we have understood about business process. Now if we see, if you want to know how CRM, especially Salesforce, can help to actually track all business phases, then we need to understand what is the CRM. So basically CRM stands for customer relationship management. So when it is about maintaining managing customer relations, then certainly you need Salesforce. Oh, good. So what you can do through this CRM? So through CRM, uh, you can actually manage your all the customers. So customers, I mean, there can be a B2B business, business to business, strategy for your business to run. Then you need certainly partners and prospects, and you keep all these information in a customer relationship management. So if you see, this is about tracking everything, so that transparency can be there, and tracking can be there. Now, how CRM helps? CRM actually, as you can see, it allow a sales team to close deal faster. For example, if you are maintaining a list of leads, and you have, so for example, if you have a small team, okay, so let's understand is some other way. You have a team, very small team. I mean, you have a two sales guy, you have a two marketing guy, and you have a two service people. I mean customer support people. Now what would happen? All these teams should know about everything of a customer. So what everything they should, so sales team would know actually. So let's talk about, if we are running a marketing campaign, then marketing team certainly should know what, certainly should actually get all the leads information, and they would be actually marketing it. Then sales guy should have all the information of lead, then they would actually follow them, their manager should know. And then if they have successfully sold the product, then certainly service people should know about those customers so that they can serve them better. So this is how CRM helps. How we would actually be seeing it soon through some other you know videos. That's it for now, and I'm going to take another class, and we would explore more about CRM. Thank you.